Did you know that the luxury watch brand Audemars Piguet produces only around 40,000 timepieces every year? Today, we're diving deep into what makes these watches so exclusive. Audemars Piguet focuses on quality over quantity. Unlike other luxury brands, they produce fewer than 50,000 watches annually to ensure each piece is meticulously handcrafted. Each watch features a unique serial number on its caseback. Since 1975, these numbers have been preceded by a letter that changes after every 100,000 watches. Previously, between 2017 and 2020, Audemars Piguet produced only around 25,000 to 30,000 timepieces. This demonstrates their commitment to exclusivity and craftsmanship. With new technologies and materials continually being incorporated, the future of Audemars Piguet looks robust. This combination keeps their watches at the forefront of luxury watchmaking. The letter in each watch's serial number typically changes every 2.5 to 3 years, reflecting a production rate of around 40,000 watches annually and ensuring exclusivity. In conclusion, while producing fewer than 50,000 timepieces a year, Audemars Piguet's impact on the luxury watch market remains profound due to their dedication to quality and exclusivity. So there you have it, a deep dive into why Audemars Piguet watches are so exclusive. What aspect of luxury watchmaking fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments.